Tengo malas noticias. Estás a punto de ser removido de esta institución. Tus calificaciones están muy malas.
Wait, what do you mean?
Mira, School 18, dejaste la clase sola cuando un estudiante vomitó en su escritorio.
You know I have a sensitive sense of smell?
Por 3 días,
Yeah, it's very sensitive.
ya tú sabes la regla de Boricua University Graduate Education Department. Te lo advertimos varias veces. Y esta es la última.
Wait. You're seriously gonna fail me out? But you're my mom.
Mijo, tú no eres ningún bobo. Vago tal vez. Tienes un doctorado en terapia física.
Yeah, but teaching is different.
Bueno, hay una clase de GED y necesitan ayuda en la materia de ciencias. Tal vez tú pudieras enseñar algo que tú conoces bien.
What, you mean like anatomy?
Sí. Oh, y los estudiantes han tomado el examen 3 veces de GED y se quemaron. Buena suerte. Oh, mijo, ¿quieres que cenemos juntos? Oh, ¿sabes qué? Envíame un texto. Tengo una clase de Zumba en 10 minutos.
My name is Dr. Dennis.
Hi, Dr. Dennis. My name is Maxine. I have a question.
Already?
Yes. My question is, what kind of doctor are you?
I'm a physical therapist.
Oye, Dan, ¿qué es physical therapist?
It means he walks old people in walkers to the bathroom.
Ya entiendo.
Wait, you speak Spanish?
No, for some reason we just understand each other.
Oye, sí, ¿cómo es que me entiendes? No me explico.
Daniel, you know you're supposed to practice your English. En inglés, por favor.
No, yes. Sorry, Dr. Dennis.
Okay, well, so can we cut this semester short and just give us the science answers? If you haven't heard already, we aren't exactly NYU material here.
Speak for yourself, Dan. I, for one, am very excited to have a real doctor as a teacher.
He's not even a real doctor.
Dan!
Okay, all right. Settle down. So, seems that we are on life sciences on the human anatomy section.
Sí.
Daniel, por favor, en inglés.
Perdón. Yes.
So, we can start on the lower body.
Is that a biceps muscle?
What? No.
Because it looks like a biceps muscle.
Do you even know where the biceps is?
Yes? It's like- yeah.
It's okay, Claire. I don't even think Dr. Dennis knows where it is.
I think you're gonna know pretty soon where my foot is if you don't shut it.
Oh, yeah? Where?
Up your ass.
Whoa. Okay, settle down. No, Claire, the bicep is here, but we're talking about the lower body today, also called the lower extremity. The big muscle that is your butt is called the gluteus maximus, and right next to it is the gluteus medius, and these are important for walking. Maxine, are you okay?
Oh, yeah. When I get bored, I get lightheaded and I need to lay down. I'm good, though. Thanks for asking.
Could you please take a seat?
Dan, ¿qué dijo el profesor?
I don't have a clue.
Okay. Do you all like music? Do you know who Freddie Mercury is?
Yes! Oh my goodness, I love him so much. Love of my life.
Okay. Luis Miguel.
No sé tú, pero yo no dejo de pensar.
Okay.
Ni un
you
minuto
please-
me logro despojar de tus besos, tus
Can you
abrazos,
Okay. Shut up! Okay. I'm sorry. What about action stuff? Kung Fu movie.
Yeah.
Oh, como Bruce Lee.
Okay, so what does Bruce Lee have to do with Glugon Maximus?
Dan, it's not just about the gluteus maximus, although it is a very important muscle, but it is more so how everything is all connected. Each muscle relies on the help of another muscle to let us do certain activities,
Like what?
like using your arm. For example, your biceps. If Bruce Lee was attacked by a goon, that goon would throw a punch with their arm. But if that goon's bicep relied on itself, it would deliver a weak punch and have no chance against Bruce. But if that goon used their gluteus maximus muscle and the gluteus medius muscle, it can pack way more power and reduce an injury to the shoulder.
Oh, so they work together?
Exactly, but the biceps and shoulder work together with even more muscles, including the ankle. The gastrocnemius muscle needs to push off the ground.
That doesn't even make sense. Those muscles are so far from each other. I smell BS.
You smell like BS.
Well, that's Kung Fu. No one does Kung Fu.
Well, muscles work together in everything we do, but also other sports,
Like?
like baseball. Pitchers who have stronger legs have faster pitches and less injuries to their shoulder and elbow.
Los Mets de Nueva York.
In English!
The Mets of New York.
Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous.
I do play shortstop for my softball league in Central Park. I guess I could test your assumptions. You see these, Claire? Solid.
Shut up, Dan.
Where is the gastrocnemius muscle?
How did you... Could you sit down? Good question. The gastroc muscle goes from the back of your knee down to your heel.
Doc, where's the hamstrings? I got some really tight hammies.
Good question. The hamstring is really long, and it actually starts from the spot that you're sitting on right now all the way down to just below the back of your knee. This flexibility is really important for Bruce Lee's kicks, for dancers, and as well as to bend down to pick something up. If it's too tight, it can add stress to your back.
What else can add stress to your back?
The gluteus medius is important for walking. And if this muscle gets too weak, it can make your back work harder to keep you upright. Sometimes when this muscle gets weak, people limp. And if this muscle didn't work, you'd fall over every time you took a step.
Okay. Well, that sounds like class, so thanks. See ya.
Okay, so gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, gastrocnemius, hamstrings. Is that all we have to know?
No.
Oye, Dan, ¿esto es todo lo que tenemos que saber?
No, and I'm afraid we're going to see more of them.
Thanks for class today. It was okay. I have a question. Can I practice my cocktail making in class tomorrow?
No.
So, I guess it's all connected, huh?
Yeah, it's all connected.
My beautiful